Alright broskies, we got a new headlight for my Yonke 350Z. I found it on offer for 70 bucks. Not bad, huh? Alright broskies, so right now I'm gonna take off the two fenders on the Z and the front bumper, and we're gonna be taking them to Diagnosing. He's gonna be helping us fix the fiberglass, and hopefully he can fix the bumper as well. So crossing my fingers he can fix it. Let me just get some cutters and then we'll take off the fenders. Alright, most of the front end is held by zip ties, so should be easy to take off. And some self tappers. Have to drill these out because they have rivets. Damn. Look at my car broskies, it looks all fucked up. Now it does look like a Yonke. It's alright though, we'll get her fixed. I do have extra fenders, so since these are not that bad, I'd rather get them fixed than ask Harvey for another set. So I'll get these fixed and then I'll throw on the other new ones I have. So, but the bumper, check it out. Has a little crack right here. I mean, that I can, I guess, sand down and fix. And then right here, it's broken as well. So hopefully the compa Diagnosing can reinforce it and we'll repaint it. I think I got lucky on the headlight though. That thing was cheap, 70 bucks. And then I guess later when we come back, we'll start taking off the angle kit and then see what the damage looks like. That way we can order the parts and get the Z running. Alright broskies, dropping off my parts. Right here con el compa Diagnosing. Look at them short shorts, güey. A ver, volteate, güey. Enseña la nalga, güey, para las morritas, güey.
So, they can check out the damage. No saben manejar, mira.
No saben manejar. That one broke because I had fat ass tires, güey.
Oh, the tires.
Yeah, the tires, güey. And then that.
The one that the fence hit.
The fence?
Yeah, because te cayó. Remember?
Oh no, that's the other car.
The other car.
Yeah, that's the other car. But it's just scratched, so I can just paint it. Aquí dice el compa San que le va a arrancar el pedazo de aquí. And then
fiberglass.
And then reinforce this part right here. Hopefully. A wee wee. How long is it gonna take you, güey?
Like 2 months.
Fuck. Hey, wait. Let's load them back on. But yeah, güey, ya está. Thanks again, güey. Ahí te guacho, güey.
You have to hit the GS for it.
Oh, le show him, güey, le show him.
Yeah.
Look at this baller ass. Got some sick ass parts for the GS. That's the new daily, ¿verdad?
The daily, ya me pegaron, mira.
Damn.
Ya, me pensó y apenas me había agarrado.
Putacito.
Mira, mira.
It's on your love tap.
Mira, mira.
Oh. Mira nomás. Para que vayan a gusto las morritas, ¿verdad? Check out that shift now, though. Mira.
I picked this one out too with the other ones.
Which one?
It's the Garson. It's already sold though. Es puro diamante.
Puro pinche bling bling, güey.
The mirror too, ya. Para los abuelitos, las viejitas.
Para las viejitas, mira. Para cuando andas haciendo tu Uber. Not bad, not bad. Ahí la llevas.
Fatty J, where you at?
Fatty J, where you? All over Fatty J. ¿Verdad?
Les gané estos bailes a Fatty J.
Oh, yeah?
No te agüites, Fatty J. I'm already on call, so.
Yeah. Ahí te miro pues, güey.
I'll hit you up there.
Sale. Let's go. Brought the little girls to the park. We were passing by the freeway and we saw that it was open, so decided to stop real quick. It's so peaceful right here. This is the Whittier Narrows Park, by the way. Got little duckies. Alright broskies, time to fix the truck. Actually we have already fixed one problem, but there's actually two problems with the truck. So the first one was, we thought it was a turbo, but it ended up not being the turbo. It ended up being one of those water lines for the turbo, like this big, and we fixed it.
Pasó, güey.
Ay, güey. Chingón, Sancho Gold. Están medias calientitas, ¿no? Chingón. That's some sick ass beer, ¿no?
Yeah.
El otro día me trajo una este gordo y está chingona la güey. I didn't even want to try it. I didn't even want to try it, and I told Harvey, le digo, tómatela a ver qué pedo. And then he gave me a sip, and it's actually pretty good. But anyways, the second problem wrong with the truck, it has an oil cooler by the oil filter, and that one's leaking water. So basically it's an oil cooler, and it's kind of like water cooled, so it has some seals around it, and I'm guessing the seals went bad and it's leaking water. So every time I put water, it starts leaking it. So right now I'm gonna try to tear it down and then check the seals, and then just order the seals and then put it back together, and cross my fingers no more problems with this truck. But I mean, the truck has like 350,000 miles, so and the truck's been good to me, but I guess, you know, shit starts to go bad around that mileage. ¿Qué trajiste, güey? ¿Una luz?
Ay.
Yep, it was the seals. I'm guessing it's the seal for the oil cooler. As I was loosening it up, it started leaking more and more. It's hard to see. I was away. This shit, somebody said my name and she started squirting. Yeah, no mames.
Güey, ¿estás sacando el motor o qué pedo?
Sí, güey, le estoy sacando las tripas, güey. Should we try out that chili? Okay. Alright, broskies, an hour later, and I took off the oil cooler. Check it out. This is where the oil filter goes, and the little cooler right here. So water goes in through this side, and it basically cools the oil. But I'm guessing, alright guys, so probably like 6 months ago I started noticing oil in my water reservoir, like kind of like this. It looked like this, like chocolate, like this, and I couldn't figure it out, so I just kept throwing water in it, whatever, you know, and it was fine until probably like a month ago. One of my another water hose like ripped off, and when we took off the hose, we noticed there was oil in it. So you know those water lines, when there's oil in water lines, they inflate and they basically like explode, you know. So I'm guessing this shit got fucked up inside, maybe a seal or something, and this is where we started mixing our oil into the water. So after a while, and then when we were going to the track, we ripped another line by the turbo, and then yep, and then I guess it overheated, and water started dripping through through this seal right here. So it was already my guess is it was already fucked from the inside, and then it just water started coming out, and that's why we noticed this shit getting fucked up. So they sell like a rebuild kit. We'll seal it up and then put it back on, and hopefully that was our problem. Most likely, I'm 100% sure this was our problem. So, chingon. Alright, broski, so I just ordered the parts. They should be here like in, 5 days? Hopefully by Wednesday, Tuesday. We'll rebuild that thing and then we'll install that shit.